So, the greatest fixture on the footballing calendar? Maybe. It is El Gran Clasico, no less. I'm John Champion, Jim Beglin's the co-commentator for this, and we're at Santiago Bernabeu.
Yeah, thanks John. What a brilliant atmosphere we've got in this stadium today. I mean, both sets of players must be really looking forward to this, as we are.
The teams then, Real Madrid against Barcelona. The lineups for today. Barcelona considered by many to be the ultimate football club.
And you know that the supporters own and operate the club.
And that's key, isn't it, in the philosophy?
Absolutely. I mean, they're one of the most successful clubs in Spain's history, and they're very proud of that tradition.
So, let's get down to business. Plays this forward. Luis Suarez. Here's Benzema. Daniel Alves. Poorly timed challenge. Barcelona with a free kick. He sends it in. Benzema. Cristiano Ronaldo. It's cleared to safety. Benzema. Now Toni Kroos. Free kick is given. And Real Madrid with a set piece. Possibility for a shot. And he makes absolutely no mistake. And it's Real Madrid who strike first. So we resume at 1-0.
Oh, they've done well to take the lead there, but they can't let their opponents back in. Have to stay focused.
Takes a shot. It was a good ball in.
Yeah, the ball in there was simply superb. He won't be too happy that it's gone to waste like that.
Xavi, deflected. It's opened up for him, and he has scored! And how vital might that be for Barcelona? He pounced.
All credit to the attacker there, but you have to ask questions of that defence. What were they doing?
The game restarts with the scores level again.
Oh, I think the coach will really be annoyed with that. The players were still thinking about their goal and just got caught napping.
Neymar. Jordi Alba. Jordi Alba. Out again. Another throw. 30 minutes on the clock in the first half. Neymar, whose goal-scoring skills have already been seen. Neymar. Here's Messi, looking to thread it through. Now he's ready for a shot. And is that a goal kick? Arbeloa. Bale, who has an assist to his name. The score's level just 5 minutes before half-time. He's got in. It's come through to him. It's an opportunity. Goal! That could well turn out to be the winner they've been looking for. He was allowed far too much space.
Well, he did very well to get a shot away and score, because it's hard to take a pass on the move, but that was very tight.
Real Madrid now up by a goal.
Well, when you look around the dressing room and think, who can I depend on? This is the guy for me. He's such a wonderful technician.
And he plays it to the keeper. And there is the referee's whistle to end the first half.
Well, it's always a good sign for a team when they're not really playing that well, but they've still got a lead. But I still think they need a lot more width in what they're doing.
Just one goal separates them, 2-1 on the score sheet. Real Madrid against Barcelona. Bale. Benzema. Here's Toni Kroos. Benzema wants to get this forward. Benzema! He's unlucky not to score there.
Well, look, his odds from that sort of range were never great, and yet he almost produced a very, very good finish.
Now Neymar plays it through. Now Pedro. It's a ball in. A crucial intervention there. A great save by Casillas. Fisted away by the keeper. Yep, offside there, to the massive relief of the opposition defenders. Pepe. 60 minutes played. This is very pleasing on the eye. Sergio Ramos. Xavi. He can line one up here. James Rodriguez. Here's Neymar. Xavi on the ball. Over the top.
Yeah, it's all very easy on the eye, but I think they're just missing something a little more incisive now to complement some very good build-up play.
Oh, he wasn't far off from levelling matters.
Well, he was so eager to score there, he almost put too much into that attempt to equalise. What a waste.
Approaching the last 15 minutes of the game. It's opened up nicely for him. Here's Piqué. It's on for him. Jordi Alba got it. The ball's with Iniesta. Daniel Alves got it. Oh, flag up. Just offside then. He'd straight off the last man. The referee's assistant pretty alert. Plays this forward. Wants to get this forward. Terrible tackle. Gives away a free kick. Xavi. No, that won't be finding its target. He's got in. Arda Turan. Xavi! Nothing really to worry the keeper there. Switches play to the other side. Modric. Bale. Iniesta. A long ball into space. Straight offside then, free kick to the opposition. There is the referee's whistle for full time. They did enough to win, but enough today may not be enough next time.
Well, it probably worked out to be the right scoreline in the end, even though there was never a huge amount in it.
So many thanks to Jim Beglin, and that